Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 181 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we got.
Super Rare.
Super, 50 Blink,
Rare.
2 Rare, 50 coins,
Epic.
Hidden Epic, 500 XP doublers, daily freebies, 15 coins, second daily freebies, 5 credits. And again, there's special offers for hypercharges now, but I don't really think it's that worth it unless you are going to buy them anyway. There's also a bunch of skins that are at discounts. I don't think anything significant has changed today. There was the patch for the whole gem glitch or whatever it was between the shop and getting 5,000 gems. You weren't supposed to spend them, and if you did, you're probably going to end up with a negative balance, so that's no good. The other thing I wanted to mention is if you end up completing all 60 matches, you apparently can't even unlock Final Boss Rico with Bling for 2 weeks for some reason. And I think the only thing that's probably stranger than that is you'll notice the season ends in 44 days, but the season actually ends in 25 days. So I don't know what's going on here, but Supercell team definitely has some things to fix here. This doesn't really make sense unless they're actually having Parley go for a season and a half. Also, okay, I was worried it wouldn't load at all. Yes, it's really laggy. I have no idea. Wow, okay. I think it has something to do with the animated profile icons and the fact that it has to load so many on the leaderboards now. It's essentially just broken the leaderboard. It'll hardly load at all. Also, the other thing is if you get 30 round wins, apparently you won't even be able to use this spray. Or at least you won't be able to find it in your inventory for some reason. I don't know why. I think you can use the profile icon, but that's probably about it. Everything else is glitched. Again, I wouldn't say don't win 60 rounds, because that guarantees you won't have to do it later, but at the same time you won't be able to use these two things for probably like a week or two until the dev team comes back from vacation and actually fixes all the crazy things going on in the game right now. But other than that, as of today, I have 4,560 XP doublers and 19,361 power points. So again, I'm really hoping they can at least some kind of change with the whole PowerPoint thing, because I just have way more than I'm probably ever going to need. Yeah guys, let's see how far we can take this.